Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing manicure and pedicure. So I'm going to be doing just a regular pedicure. I'm not going to use any color. I was going to use a color, but I'm not. I was going to use these two from Gellin. These are two gel polishes, but I'm not going to do them today. I'm just going to do a nice kind of base coat and top coat gel application. So let's start with the products that I'm going to be using. So I recently wanted to get a new gel kit. So I've tried the red carpet gel stuff before, and I wanted to get them again. So I'm just gonna go through what's in the little kit. So we first have the red carpet eraser. This is the gel nail polish remover. And then we have the red carpet Purify pre and post application cleanser. We have the, let's do this, the prep. This is the Max Adhesion nail primer. Then we have the Revitalize Nourishing Nail Cuticle Oil. And we have the Fortify and Protect LED Gel Top Coat and the base coat. And then, so for lotion and exfoliating products, first thing I'm going to use is this Jafra Spa hand polish. I also use it for my feet as well. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to use it for my feet in today's video. And then for a lotion, I'm going to use the Jafra Royal Almond Hydrating Body Lotion. This one has vitamin E. I really like this lotion. It smells so nice. I absolutely love it. Other tool type products that I'm going to use is this cuticle, I guess they're like cuticle scrapers. I use that just to kind of clean up the cuticle area. Then I have an orange stick. I use this orange stick for just to kind of remove any polish that got on the skin. A nail file, of course. Metal cuticle pusher. And I also have some cotton pads. Something that I did forget to mention is this nail lamp. This is the Sun T3 Max nail light. I also like that you can remove the bottom, so it's easy just to fit your toes underneath. This is probably my favorite nail lamp, so I'm also going to be using this for the gel polish application. So two other things that I actually did forget to mention for tools wise is this pumice stone. One side is to exfoliate and the other side is to soften. I really like, this is like my first time using this one. I got this one from Ulta and I absolutely love it. It's amazing. And then I also have a nail brush as well. So that's all the things that we're going to use. So let's start by doing the toes. First thing first, I'm going to start by shaving my legs. I haven't shaved my legs this morning while I did my shower routine, so I'm to go ahead and shave my legs. Next, I'm going to clean my toes, so I'm going to use my nail brush and just go on the top of my toes and kind of on the bottom of my toes as well, very gently. Next it's time to exfoliate. So I'm going to take my pumice stone and I'm going to use the exfoliating side first, the green side on the ball of my feet and on the heel as well. Next, out of the water, I'm going to take my cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. Next, I'm going to take my red carpet cleanser to cleanse the nails. Next, we are going to take the red carpet nail prep. This is a nail primer to really prep the nails for the gel application. So we are going to start with a base coat. I'm only going to be doing a base coat and top coat. I'm not going to do any color. So I'm going to apply this to all the toes, and then I'm going to put it under the lamp for about 90 seconds. I'm going to do the same thing but with the top coat, but now I'm going to go in with my Jafra hand polish to exfoliate my feet, and I'm going to go in with my Jafra Royal Almond body lotion. So I'm not really going to go into depth with my fingers because I basically did the same exact thing, push back the cuticle first. Then didn't do it on my toes, but I'm going to take this cuticle scraper just to really scrape away any dead cuticle. Then I'm going to go back in with my red carpet cleanser to cleanse the nail for prep for the gel. And also go back in with the red carpet prep to prep the nail. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to go in with the base coat first on all 10 nails, and then I'm going to go in to the top coat, and after each application I'm going to go in and cure them under the lamp for 90 seconds. So I didn't do this for my toes, but I do it for my fingers. I like to, after the base coat, I'm going to go in with my cleanser once again with a cotton pad and remove the sticky residue layer on the nail, and I'm going to do the same thing with the top coat as well. Then after everything is done, I'm going to go in with the red carpet cuticle oil on the cuticles. Then I'm going to go back in with the Jafra hand polish to exfoliate. And also go in with the Jafra Royal Almond body lotion. Okay, the finished result. The nails kind of look like this. Like I said, I just wanted to do a normal pedicure. I didn't want to use any color. So I just have the top coat and the base coat on. I'm not going to show you my toes because it's going to be really hard for me to lift up my legs in this position. So, but this is how they turned out. I absolutely love them. I like to kind of do something like this in between, like it's like when Easter comes, I'm going to do another color. I just wanted to just do a simple manicure until Easter, and then when Easter comes, I'm going to do a full pedicure with a colored polish. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!